Assalamualaikum. Today our class is Islamia, and we are going to, finish the last worksheet, which is worksheet number 1, part 3, okay, of Islamia. Okay, first of all, I'm going to give you a little recap. Okay, I'm not going to go in details, as we have already talked about this so many times. Okay, so we talked about the importance of teachers. Okay, we talked about that how teachers help us in in bringing us, in teaching us good things, in teaching us good knowledges. Okay, then we talked about Muhammad Sallam was also a teacher. Okay, and Islam gives so much respect to teachers. We talked about the a death of a worshippers, thousand of worshippers is easy to bear than death of a teacher. Okay, why? Because Muhammad Sallam ने हमारे पैगंबर्स ने सबने क्या कहा था कि टीचर्स की वॉरियर्स हमारे जो हैं वो, ये हमारे बैटल्स के जो लोग हैं वो हमें वापस आ सकते हैं, लेकिन एक टीचर की डेथ क्या होती है, एक कंट्री के लिए, एक पूरी नेशन के लिए बहुत ज्यादा बड़ी होती है. सही है. Then we did these question answers. Okay, there were 5 question answers. We did all of them in our class. Okay, if you have any problems, then just ask me or ask your friends. Okay, then this was your homework. I gave you the homework to write 8 points on the importance of teacher and why should we respect them. Okay, how many you how many of you have done your homework? Just give me a thumbs up. Okay, Fatma, excellent. Sanan, excellent. Done. Nanish, Amna, Humaira, Asghar, Rija, excellent. Abiha, Aryan. Okay, what about you, Amsar? Have you done your homework, beta? Okay, Abiha, excellent. Yes, Amsal, Ali, Salman, have you done your homework?
Miss, you're talking about the homework. You give right 8 points on importance of teacher and why should we respect them.
Yes.
Okay, Miss. उसके अलावा कोई homework नहीं कराया ना?
Yes, I also gave you a homework yesterday. Okay, I gave you a homework to make a fact find on Hazrat Khadija Radhiyallahu anha. Okay, if you haven't done it, then don't worry. We are going to discuss in class. But I already gave you this as a homework. Okay, so now we are going to move forward. We are going to start with the last worksheet, worksheet number 1, part 3. Okay. You have to read the comprehension and then you have to mark the statements as true or false. Okay, I'm going to ask you one by one. Just tell me if you know the answer. Okay, number 1, Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam taught us what is good and what is evil. Okay, is it true or is it false? Yes, Ali Salman, would you like to share?
Yes, Miss.
Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam taught us what is good and what is evil. True or false?
True.
Obviously true. Why? Because Professor Sallam was a teacher. Okay, he told us what is right, what is wrong, how, in the form of religion. Okay, he told us that being a Muslim is very good, and if we follow Allah Ta'ala and if we follow the religion of Islam, then we are going to Jannat. Okay, and this is automatically a good thing. Okay, Ali Salman, excellent beta. Number 2, we should love the one we gain knowledge from. Yes, Sinan.
True.
True.
Yes.
Do you think we have to love everyone who is teaching us?
False.
False. Why? We should.
We should respect the one we gain knowledge from.
Exactly. Number 2 is false. Why? Because it is not necessary that we love someone. Okay. Okay. A teacher is automatically good for us. Okay. If someone teaches us, then we will respect that person. Okay. It is not necessary that we love that person. Okay. So number 2 is false. Why? Because it is a hadith that we should respect the one we get knowledge from. Okay. And I already told you that we cannot change the hadith. Okay. And hadiths in Islamia always remain the same. Okay. The reward of teachers is smaller than other people. Yes, Rafa. True or false?
Yes, Miss.
The reward of teachers is smaller than other people. True or false?
False.
False. Why? What's
Hussein
the,
is true.
what is the reason?
मुझे नहीं पता.
The reason is that the reward of teachers is greater than other people. Why? क्योंकि अल्लाह ताला ने क्या कहा? अल्लाह ताला ने ये कहा है कि क्योंकि टीचर्स है वो सबकी इतनी हेल्प करती है एजुकेशन के अंदर, तो ऑटोमेटिकली उनका रिवॉर्ड भी क्या होगा? हर चीज का ज्यादा मिलेगा. ओके राफिल? So it is false. Why? Because the reward is greater. Okay. Number 4. Yes, question. You have a question, beta?
मिस आप कह रही थी ये नहीं, आप हजरत खदीजा का आपने फैक्ट फाइल दिया था पहले.
जी बेटा.
अच्छा वो करनी है.
जी. I gave you a fact file yesterday.
मिस हमारी इंटरनेट इश्यूज हो गए थे इसलिए मैंने नहीं की.
कोई बात नहीं, कोई बात नहीं. Just do it today. Okay.
यस मिस.
Yes, Amna beta. Do you have a question?
मिस नंबर 2 की रीजन क्या है?
बेटा नंबर 2 का रीजन ये है कि नंबर 2 is a hadith that we have to respect the one we gain knowledge from. Okay, and I already told you that in Islamia we cannot change the hadith. Okay, hadith remains the same. Okay, Amsal, your turn. Okay, Amsal, Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam was sent as a teacher. True or false?
True.
True. Why? Why?
Because Miss Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam taught us about good and bad.
Exactly. Excellent, Amsal. Okay. Why Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam was sent as a teacher? It is true. Why? Because Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam told us the difference between right and wrong. Okay. Excellent. Okay. Abiha. There is Abiha. Okay, Abiha. Number 5.
No, miss, teachers are the last one is false because teacher are called spiritual parents.
Exactly. Number 5. Teachers are called as our foster parents. Okay. And that is false. Why? Because teachers are called our spiritual parents. Okay, Abiha. Excellent. Abdullah Farhan.
Miss.
Okay, Abdullah Farhan. Can you tell me that Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam taught us what is good and evil? Is it true or false?
True.
True. Why?
Because he always taught us about the right path.
Exactly. Because he always teach us about the right part. Okay, Abdullah Farhan, excellent. Okay, so I'm just going to give you a recap. Okay, if you have missed something, just hurry up, go through it. Okay, number 1 is true. Okay, that Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam told us what is right and what is wrong. Okay, number 2 is that we should love the one we gain knowledge from. No, we should respect the one we gain knowledge from. So number 2 is false. Okay, number 3, the reward of teachers is smaller than other people. No, it is false. Why? Because Allah Ta'ala said that the reward of teachers is very greater. Okay, and that is why we have placed them in the place of our parents. Okay, number 4, Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam was said as a teacher. It is true. Why? Because Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam told us the difference between things which are right and which are wrong. And number 5, teachers are called as our foster parents. It is false. Why? Because teachers are called our spiritual parents. Okay. So now we're going to move to worksheet number 2. Okay. That is a reading comprehension on Hazrat Khadija. Okay. Yes, Abhiya. If you have. Yes, Abhiya.
Miss, I want to ask what is the answer of 3? It's false, and we have to write greater. The reward of teacher is greater than other people.
Yes.
Right?
Yes. Okay, now we are going to study about Hazrat Khadija Radhiyallahu anha. Okay. I think every one of you must know that who was Hazrat Khadija Radhiyallahu anha. Okay, she was the wife of Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. Okay, she was the first woman who respected Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam, who stood with Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam, and who helped Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam in all of his difficult times. Okay, she was a very rich woman in the tribe of Makkah. Okay, she was a very rich and a very good woman. Okay, and she was very respected in her society. Okay, so now we are going to talk about how she had Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam and how she was as a person. Okay, now just stay with me. It is a very easy topic. All of the topics are very easy for you. Okay, just if you concentrate. Okay, now Khadija bin uh, uh, Khadija bin Khuwailid was born on 555 AD, Saudi Arabia. Okay, you can solve your um, fact find on Hazrat Khadija from here. Like born, what you can write on born that she was born on 555 AD. Okay, you can just solve your fact part from here. Just mark the good things from over here. Okay, yes, Nan, do you have a question, Meta? Yes, yes, Sanan, you have a question?
I have solved the fact file of Hazrat Khadija.
Yes. Okay, you can solve it. We are going to solve later as well, but it was your homework. Okay, so kindly do it first on your own, then we are going to talk about it in class. Okay, so now let's move on. That Okay, Hazrat Khadija Radhiyallahu Anha was born to a father who was a successful merchant in the Quraysh tribe of Makkah. Okay, can anyone tell me, we use the word merchant for, a person who does daily work in life. So yeah, a merchant is basically someone who works for their family. Okay, and in which family does Khadija Radhiyallahu Anha belong to? She belonged to Quraysh tribe of Makkah. Okay, so basically, she used to live in Saudi Arabia, and in Saudi Arabia, she used to live in Makkah. Okay, are we clear? Okay. So, if someone asks you that in which country Khadija Anha was born, so she was born in Saudi Arabia, but she used to belong to the Quraysh tribe of Makkah. Okay, she inherited her father's skills at a time in history when society was male dominant and dangerous. Okay, what does it mean? It means that in our history, okay, in our old times, society was not very good. Why? Because जब तक इस्लाम नहीं आया था, उस वक्त तक जो हमारी सोसाइटी हुआ करती थी वो मेल डोमिनेट हुआ करती थी. मेल डोमिनेट का क्या मतलब है? वो सोसाइटी जहाँ पे सिर्फ और सिर्फ मेल्स की चला करती थी. सही है. बेसिकली वर्ड डोमिनेटेड मीन्स जब किसी को एक मतलब कोई अपने आप को बहुत ज्यादा अच्छा ऊपर समझता हो. सही है. तो उस टाइम पे क्या हुआ करता था कि जो मेल्स हुआ करते थे दे यूज्ड टू बिलीव दैट दे वर ओनली द बेस्ट पीपल. ओके, और वो उस टाइम पे जो है वो फीमेल्स को जो है वो किसी भी किस्म की रिस्पेक्ट नहीं की जाती थी. ओके, उनको किसी भी किस्म की लव, उनको किसी भी किस्म की केयर वगैरह कुछ भी नहीं की जाती थी. And that is why with the came of Islam, जैसे इस्लाम आया था तो automatically women was given so much respect. और ये वाहिद वो रिलीजन है जो कि क्या करता है कि वुमेन्स को रिस्पेक्ट करता था. ओके, तो दैट इज वाई कह रहे हैं कि उस टाइम के अंदर क्या हुआ था कि हिस्ट्री किस तरह की थी. हिस्ट्री के अंदर society was male dominant and dangerous. Okay, automatically when it was male dominant and dangerous, why? Because there used to be so many fights, there used to be so many wars. Okay, and only males were given importance. Okay. Upon her father's death, she took over the business, being the most successful woman around, rich in worldly attainment as well as character. Okay. So what is saying is that she inherited her father's skills. सही है. मतलब उन्होंने अपने फादर से हर अच्छी चीज हर बुरी चीज सीखी थी. एंड व्हेन हर फादर डाइड, जब उनके फादर की डेथ हो गई थी तो खदीजा रजी अल्लाह ताला टुक कंट्रोल ऑफ द बिजनेस. ओके, उनके फादर की जो बिजनेस था, उनके फादर का जो वर्क था, वो खदीजा रजी अल्लाह ताला ने उस जमाने में जब सोसाइटी मेल डोमिनेंट थी उन्होंने उस जमाने में भी क्या कर लिया था, बिजनेस को खुद संभाला था. ओके, she was a very successful woman. How? She was rich in worldly attainment as well as character. Okay, it means that in terms of worldly, okay, like for example, in terms of money, she was rich, but she was also rich in her character. Okay, being rich in character means that she was a very mobile woman and she knew that what how to stand her ground. Okay, उन्होंने अपने करेक्टर बनाया हुआ था और उनको ये पता था कि उनको अपनी किस तरह से रिस्पेक्ट करवानी है. सही है. It seems that Khadija faced constant campaigns of men seeking her hand in marriage. She was married twice before her bad luck to Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Okay, what is saying is that because Khadija Rizal Anna was such a successful woman in Saudi Arabia, they उस time के अंदर there were no kind of any successful women. So she was very famous. Why? Men always used to ask for her hand in marriage. Okay, उस वक्त से भी ज्यादा फेमस लोग हुआ करते थे, वो चाहते थे कि खदीजा रज़ी अल्लाह अन्हा क्या कर ले, उनसे शादी कर ले, सही है. But she was married twice. उन्होंने 2 दफा शादी करी हुई थी. And after that she was married to Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Okay, when she married Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, she was 40 years old. Okay, and Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam was 25 years old. She used to be 15 years greater, older than Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam was born on 22 April 571 AD at Mecca, Saudi Arabia, and died on 8 June 632 AD at Medina, Saudi Arabia. Okay, up till now, you have any questions, you have any problems, then you can ask me. Okay, I cannot see Saqib. Okay, so
Teacher, I don't understand this sentence.
which
Hazrat Khadija faced a consistent campaign of men seeking her hand in marriage.
beta? I already told you that in that time society was, male dominant. Okay, males used to rule the society. Males used to work in every business. They used to be important to everyone. Okay, so what happened is that because Hazrat Khadija Taala Anha was such a successful woman, so every man wanted to marry her. Okay, they used to ask for her hand in marriage. Okay, constant campaign means she was a constant member कि हर कोई क्या चाहता था कि उनसे किसी तरह भी शादी कर ले. And she was married twice before she was wedlock मतलब before she was married to Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Okay, if we are clear up till now, just give me a thumbs up so we can move on. Hurry up. Okay, excellent guys. Now we're moving forward. Now, okay, what we talked about is that when she married Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, she was 40 years old and Muhammad was 25 at that time. Okay, that means that she was 15 years older than Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Okay, now beginning from the time of Muhammad's marriage to the first wife Khadija, women played an important role in his religious career. According to Muslim sources, Khadija was the first person Muhammad spoke to about his terrifying experience of revelation. Okay, now what happened is that कह रहे हैं कि Prophet वसल्लम की लाइफ के अंदर हमेशा जो है वो एक वुमेन ने क्या करा है, बहुत अच्छा रोल प्ले करा है. ओके, why? Because मोहम्मद सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम ने हमेशा क्या शो करा है कि that women are very good and that women gives us stand with us, they help us and they make us famous as well. सही है. तो क्या कह रहे हैं कि हमें क्या पता चला है कि खदीजा जो है फर्स्ट पर्सन थी जिनको जो है मोहम्मद सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम ने अपने टेरिफाइंग एक्सपीरियंसेस का बताया था. टेरिफाइंग बेसिकली मीन्स समथिंग विच इज डेंजरस. सही है. टेरिफाइंग जो कि कोई भी चीज में डरा दे. सही है. तो मोहम्मद सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम ने ये फर्स्ट ऐसी वुमेन थी जिससे मोहम्मद सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम ने अपना एक्सपीरियंस शेयर करा था. किस चीज का? अपनी रेवल्यूशन का. रेवल्यूशन क्या क्या मतलब है? प्लीज ना. Yes, I'm telling you. Revelation क्या है कि when Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam was just a kid, when Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam was only 25 years old, what happened is that उस टाइम पे क्या हुआ था कि मोहम्मद सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम जो है वो एक अपनी माउंट पे जाया करते थे और वहां पे जाके क्या करते थे, he used to pray over there. सही है. तो क्या हुआ था कि हजरत जिब्राइल अलैहिस्सलाम मोहम्मद सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम के पास आए थे. उन्होंने मोहम्मद सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम को बताया था कि उनको क्या करना है, अब अपनी जो है वो इस्लाम को स्प्रेड करने में उनकी हेल्प करनी है एंड दैट ही वाज चोजन एज अ प्रॉफिट. सही है. उसके बाद क्या हुआ था कि मोहम्मद सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम को बहुत सी जो है वो डिफिकल्टीज आई थी, उनको बहुत सी प्रॉब्लम्स आई थी और ये सारे जो भी मसले थे वो मोहम्मद सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम ने किससे सबसे पहले शेयर किए थे? हजरत खदीजा रज़ियल्लाहु अन्हा के साथ. ओके, आर वी क्लियर? ओके, मूविंग फॉरवर्ड, she consoled him and became the first to convert to Islam. Okay, she consoled him मतलब उन्होंने क्या करा, उन्होंने कहा कि उनकी सारी बातें सुनी, उनको बताया कि आई एम देयर विद यू, उनको कहा कि कि मैं आपके जब साथ साथ रहूंगी, और वो इसी वजह से सबसे पहली थी. तो उन्होंने क्या करा था, इस्लाम के अंदर कन्वर्ट किया था अपने आप को. सही है. she remained a confident and a source of support throughout the entire marriage. सही. क्या कह रहे हैं कि इसी वजह से हज़रत खदीजा ने क्या करा था, उन्होंने पूरे वक्त क्या करा, मोहम्मद सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम के लिए एक सपोर्ट बन के रही थी, ओके, इन एवरी वे, ओके, शी वाज अ रिच वुमन, उन्होंने मोहम्मद सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम को हर तरह से इन टर्म्स ऑफ मनी सपोर्ट किया था, उन्होंने मोहम्मद सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम को इन टर्म्स ऑफ एवरीथिंग हमेशा मोहम्मद सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम को सपोर्ट किया था, ओके। So in Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam life, as Khadija used to be a very important person. Okay, Khadija, the mother of Islam. Khadija Anha was called the mother of Islam. Was the first person of earth to accept Muhammad as the final prophet of God, to accept the revelation that is explained in the Holy Quran. सही है, क्या कहने का खदीजा अनहा जब फर्स्ट ऐसी वो थी प्रॉफिट, क्योंकि उन्होंने क्या करा था, उन्होंने मोहम्मद सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम को फाइनल प्रॉफिट माना था हम सबका, और उन्होंने जब उनकी सारी रेवलेशन मोहम्मद सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम की कि वो किस तरह से गॉड बने, उनको क्या क्या काम करना है, उन सब पे क्या करा था, उन्होंने एक्सेप्ट कर लिया। सही है, she was greeted with salam peace by God himself as well as angel Jibril। सही है, ये फर्स्ट ऐसी वुमेन थी जिनको गॉड ने जो है वो खुद से ग्रीट किया था। सही है, और इसके अलावा एंजल जिब्राइल ने भी इनको ग्रीट किया था। She leaves her worldly goods and put herself in the face of danger to stand by Prophet ﷺ as Islam became established in the land। सही है, क्या कह रहे हैं कि इन्होंने क्या करा था, इन्होंने अपनी दुनिया की जितनी भी अच्छी चीजें थी, अपना बिजनेस सब चीजें एक साइड पर कर दी थी, और क्या करा था, अपने आप को मोहम्मद सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम के साथ खड़ा किया था टू फेस एवरी काइंड ऑफ डेंजर विद हिम। सही है, क्यों, मोहम्मद सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम की आपको पता है लाइफ कितनी हार्ड थी, व्हेन ही वाज प्रीचिंग इस्लाम, व्हेन ही वाज स्प्रेडिंग इस्लाम। तो उस टाइम पे क्या हुआ था कि हर तरह के लोगों को मसले आते थे, तो हजरत खदीजा ने हर स्टेप पे मोहम्मद सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम का साथ दिया। सही है, नाउ शी डाइड इन द Ramzan of the year 10th of the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, that is in November 22619 in Mecca, Saudi Arabia. Muhammad later called this 10th year the year of sorrow, as his uncle and protector Abu Talib also died at his time. Khadija is said to have been about 65 years old at the time of her death। सही है, क्या कह रहे हैं कि क्या हुआ था कि खदीजा जो है वो उनकी डेथ कब हुई थी, शी डाइड इन द मंथ ऑफ रमजान, और उसकी वजह से क्या हुआ था कि मोहम्मद सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम ने क्या कहा था कि उनको बहुत ज्यादा अफसोस में आ गए थे वो, क्यों, क्योंकि वो फर्स्ट ऐसी वुमन थी जिन्होंने उनको हमेशा सपोर्ट किया था, और उनको जो है वो हमेशा उनके साथ खड़ी रही। ओके, अप टिल नाउ डू वी हैव एनी प्रॉब्लम, और इज हजरत खदीजा अनहा क्लियर? इफ शी इज क्लियर जस्ट गिव मी अ थम्स अप। Hurry up everyone। Okay, so you can see her date of birth, you can see her date of died, okay, you can see the place of birth and place of death. So I think making a fact find Hazrat Khadija Radhiyallahu anha is very easy, okay, and those who have not completed their work kindly do it before tomorrow, okay। Now, what is your homework for tomorrow? Your homework is that you have to make a fact file और हजरत मोहम्मद सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम। ओके, इन द वर्कशीट आपको जो वर्कशीट के अंदर सारी इंफॉर्मेशन मिलेगी, जैसे यहाँ पे लिखा हुआ है। ओके, आई हैव एडेड कि मोहम्मद सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम कहाँ बॉर्न हुए थे, he was born on 22 अप्रैल 571 AD। ओके, कहाँ पे हुए थे, मक्का सऊदी अरेबिया के अंदर। सही है, उसके अलावा उनकी डेथ कब हुई है, 8 जून 632 के अंदर। कहाँ पे हुई है, सऊदी अरेबिया के अंदर। वो क्यों फेमस थे, बिकॉज ही वॉज अवर लास्ट प्रॉफिट। सही, लास्ट प्रॉफिट है हमारे, इस वजह से वो फेमस है। और इसके अलावा आपको लास्ट लाइन आप लोगों को खुद पता है कि वो हिस्ट्री के अंदर क्यों फेमस है। सही है, जैसे ये वाला था, यहाँ पे लिखा हुआ था फैक्ट फाइल, ये खदीजा की थी, एंड दिस फैक्ट फाइल is of Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam। Okay, this is your homework, so kindly do it before your next class। और एक और आपके नोटिस क्या है कि अब जो नेक्स्ट अपकमिंग क्लास होगी इस्लामिक की, उसके अंदर हमारा क्विज होगा। आर वी क्लियर? सही है, अब जो नेक्स्ट अपकमिंग क्लास है इस्लामिक की, उसके अंदर वी आर गोइंग टू हैव अ क्विज, एंड दिस वाज इट फॉर टुडेस क्लास। काइंडली हेल्प मी विद योर अटेंडेंस।
Teacher,
Yes,
teacher, love is teacher.
have a good weekend।
Yes.